I tried making money from $0 for 7 days. And this happened tears of joy. Day 1 started with a weird feeling. The kind of feeling where your bank account looks like it's on life support. $0. Not low balance. I'm talking absolute zero. The kind of zero that makes even your wallet feel offended. So I made a decision. No excuses. No, I'll start next month. No, I need money to make money. Just 7 days. $0 to something. Anything. And I told myself one rule. I can use internet, phone, and my brain. That's it. No investment. No paid tools. No cheating. Let's see if this is genius. Or just desperation. Day 1. The reality check. First thing I did was open my phone like a weapon. Scrolled through everything people usually say makes money online. Surveys. Freelancing. Affiliate marketing. Content creation. Random apps that promise, earn $500 daily. And I realized something very fast. Half the internet is either selling dreams or selling courses about dreams. So I stopped scrolling and asked a better question. What can I actually do today that someone might pay for? That question changed everything. I didn't need a perfect business model. I needed the first dollar. So I tried something simple. I went to a free freelancing platform and looked for tiny tasks. Writing captions. Simple edits. Data entry. Anything low skill. But here's the truth nobody tells you. When you start from zero, you are invisible. No reviews. No ratings. No trust. It felt like shouting inside a stadium where nobody cares. So I moved to plan B. Day 2. The humble beginning. I decided to use what I already had, writing skills and time. I posted a simple message online offering. I will write 5 catchy social media captions for free for small businesses. Yes. Free. Some people think working free is stupid. But here's the twist. Free is not payment. Free is entry. Within a few hours, one small Instagram page replied. A local clothing page. Not big. Not famous. Just trying. They gave me a chance. I wrote 5 captions. Nothing fancy. Just emotional hooks, simple humor, and relatable lines. They liked it. And then something magical happened. They didn't pay me money. They paid me something more important. They said, "Can you do more?" That's when I understood something real. Money doesn't come first. Trust comes first. Day 3. The first money moment. I pushed a little further. I offered them a small package. 10 captions plus hashtag strategy plus posting ideas. Still cheap. Still beginner level. And they agreed. $5. It doesn't sound like much. But when you start from $0, $5 feels like you just cracked the system. Not because of the amount, but because of the proof. Proof that someone, somewhere, will pay you for your brain. I remember staring at that small payment like it was a lottery win. But I didn't celebrate too long. Because I knew something important. This is just the beginning. Day 4. The confusion phase. This is where most people quit. Because now reality hits. I thought, okay, I made $5. Now I just repeat it and get rich. Wrong. Nobody was replying. No new clients. No viral moment. Just silence. And silence is dangerous when you're starting out, because it makes you doubt everything. You start thinking, was it luck? Was it a one-time thing? Am I wasting my time? I almost stopped. But then I changed my approach. Instead of waiting for clients, I started creating attention. Dash dash dash. Day 5. The content shift. I posted something simple. I started from $0 and got my first paying client. Here's what I did. No fancy editing. No camera setup. Just raw honesty. And something interesting happened. People didn't care about perfection. They cared about story. Within hours, I got messages. Not money yet, but attention. And attention is the real currency online. One person said, "Can you help me with my page?" Another said, "Do you do content writing?" This is where I realized. Skills get you started. Content scales you. Dash dash dash. Day 6. The moment everything changed. I combined both things. Freelancing, skill, content visibility. Now I wasn't just waiting for clients. I was attracting them. I created a simple offer. $10 starter content pack for small pages. Still low. Still beginner friendly. But this time, it worked faster. 2 small clients came in. Then another message. Then another. Nothing massive, but consistent movement. And I noticed something strange. The more I talked about my journey, the more opportunities appeared. It was like the internet was finally noticing me. Not because I became perfect, but because I became visible. Dash dash dash. Day 7. The real truth about money. By the end of 7 days, I didn't become rich. Not even close. But I made something more valuable than money. I built momentum. From $0 to first client, to repeat work, to incoming messages. And here's the truth nobody likes to say. Money online is not a single hack. It's a system of 3 things. 1. Skill, what you can do. 2. Visibility, who knows you exist. 3. Consistency, how long you don't quit. Most people only chase skill. Some chase hacks. Very few build visibility. And that's why they stay stuck at 0. Dash dash dash. Final thought. If you're watching this thinking, I don't have money, I don't have experience, good. Because neither did I. The only difference is I started anyway. Not perfectly. Not confidently. Just started. And starting is the part most people never do. So if you're sitting at $0 right now, don't wait for the perfect idea. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for permission. Because sometimes the first dollar doesn't come from a big opportunity. It comes from a small decision you finally stop delaying. And that's how $0 turns into something. Not magic. Just movement.